Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Skin Aqua Moisture Milk is probably one of the most sought-after sunscreens in the market, especially for those who prioritize a lightweight, non-greasy feel while ensuring robust sun protection. This popular Japanese sunscreen has garnered a significant following for its ability to blend seamlessly into the skin, leaving behind no white cast and providing a comfortable, hydrating base that works wonderfully under makeup or on its own. Its advanced formula is designed to shield your skin from harmful UV rays effectively, making it an indispensable part of any daily skincare routine, whether you're indoors or braving the elements outdoors. If you're on the hunt for a sunscreen that offers superior protection without compromising on texture or finish, this might just be the holy grail you've been searching for, promising a smooth, protected complexion all day long. Number 5. Glow Recipe PHA plus BHA Face Toner. Discover the ultimate solution for clearer, smoother skin. This innovative toner gently exfoliates while deeply hydrating for a radiant complexion. Experience the power of PHA and BHA to refine pores and improve skin texture. It's the perfect step to reveal your skin's natural glow. Formulated with nourishing watermelon, soothing cactus water, and hydrating glycerin, it provides essential moisture without stripping your skin. Embrace the wisdom of Korean beauty with this expertly crafted exfoliating toner. Achieve a healthy, balanced look with every application. This gentle chemical exfoliant is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Enjoy a refreshing and effective skincare experience. This convenient 40 ml size is perfect for travel or trying out its amazing benefits. Get ready to transform your skin. What we like. This toner offers gentle chemical exfoliation to refine pores. Its hydrating formula with watermelon and cactus water makes it ideal for those seeking smoother, clearer skin. If you have dull or textured skin and want a gentle yet effective exfoliant, this is a great choice. What people say. Smell good and keep your face fresh and smooth help me a lot with my pores. The texture sits right between watery and gel-like so it sinks in quick without leaving any residue. My pores look less noticeable around my nose and cheeks, which was my main goal. This product has reduced cystic acne almost 100% now. If I do get a pimple, it will be a blackhead I can pop without scarring my face. Number 4. TIRTIR Milk Skin Rice Toner. Experience deep hydration with our refreshing toner. It quenches your skin's thirst, leaving it feeling revitalized and soft. Formulated with nature-oriented ingredients like niacinamide, ceramide, and rice bran extract. These powerful components work together to nourish your skin. Embrace the essence of Korean skincare. This toner brings you the latest advancements in beauty, directly from Korea. Our gentle formula is completely vegan, ensuring a kind approach to your skincare routine. Feel good about what you put on your skin. Enjoy a refreshing sensation every time you use it. It leaves your face feeling clean, hydrated, and perfectly balanced. This 150 ml bottle is perfectly sized for your daily skincare ritual. It's convenient for home use and travel. What we like. Experience deep moisturization and a refreshing feel with this toner. Enriched with niacinamide and ceramide, it strengthens the skin barrier. If you're looking for a hydrating toner that also brightens and soothes, especially with its vegan and nature-oriented ingredients, this is perfect for you. What people say. It has a good moisturizing effect and does not feel sticky. It is a milky lotion that is easy to spread and absorbs quickly. It is a sunscreen that is gentle on the skin and does not cause irritation. Number 3. Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Airyfit Daily Sunscreen. Introducing the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Airyfit Daily Sunscreen. It's your perfect daily companion for sun protection. Experience a smooth, velvet finish with absolutely no white cast. It blends seamlessly into your skin. This sunscreen deeply hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Enjoy a comfortable, nourished feel all day long. Crafted with the expertise of Korean skincare, it delivers effective sun protection while caring for your complexion. Feel good about what you put on your skin. It's formulated with vegan and clean beauty ingredients. Its airy, lightweight texture makes it a pleasure to wear every day. You'll barely know it's there. What we like. Achieve a smooth, velvet finish without any white cast. This sunscreen provides daily hydration and moisturizing benefits. If you desire a lightweight sunscreen that doubles as a primer and is suitable for sensitive skin, this clean beauty option is an excellent pick. What people say. It's a lightweight and hydrating sunscreen. You'd think it was a moisturizer, with how lightweight and creamy it feels while leaving a matte finish. The rice extract in the product offers both exfoliating and brightening properties. It offers modern sunscreen filters, mostly seen in Korea and banned in the US due to a lack of updates in the sunscreen filters policy, so you're actually getting better coverage and protection against UVB, UVA rays and such. Number 2. Biore UV Aqua Rich Daily Hydrating Facial Moisturizer SPF 50. Introducing our daily facial moisturizer, designed to provide essential hydration and powerful sun protection. It's your perfect partner for healthy-looking skin every day. Experience broad-spectrum SPF 50 protection without the heavy feel. This oil-free formula blends seamlessly, leaving no white cast behind. Get a smooth canvas for your makeup. It acts as an effective primer, ensuring your foundation applies flawlessly and lasts longer. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, it helps to keep your skin moisturized and plump. Enjoy a hydrated complexion throughout the day. Specially formulated for sensitive skin, this non-comedogenic moisturizer won't clog pores. It's gentle yet effective for daily use. Benefit from superior UVA defense with PA++++ rating. It offers advanced protection against sun damage, keeping your skin safe. What we like. This product offers superior SPF 50 protection while acting as a hydrating primer. Its oil-free, non-comedogenic formula is perfect for sensitive skin. If you need effective daily sun protection that sits well under makeup and leaves no white cast, this is the one. What people say. It feels very moisturizing and doesn't leave a white cast. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it great for daily use under makeup. Provides good sun protection without feeling greasy. Number 1. The INKEY List Omega Water Cream. Discover the Omega Water Cream from the INKEY list. It's an oil-free face moisturizer designed for your daily skincare routine. Experience its incredibly lightweight gel texture. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling fresh and comfortable without any heaviness. This formula provides essential hydration without the greasy feel. It's perfect for those who prefer an oil-free finish to their skincare. Feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This product is proudly vegan-friendly and part of our commitment to ethical skincare. Specially formulated to be suitable for blemish-prone skin. It helps to hydrate without contributing to breakouts, supporting clearer-looking skin. Make it a staple in your routine. This moisturizer delivers the perfect amount of hydration to keep your skin balanced and healthy every day. What we like. Enjoy an ultra-lightweight, oil-free gel moisturizer that absorbs quickly. It's specifically designed to be suitable for blemish-prone skin. If you prefer a non-greasy, hydrating moisturizer that won't clog pores and is vegan-friendly, this is an ideal daily option. What people say. It's extremely lightweight and very moisturizing. It isn't oily at all and it gives me the perfect glow. I don't look like I'm sweating though. This gel cream feels incredibly light on the skin but still gives a really good level of hydration. It absorbs quickly without leaving any shine or stickiness, which makes it perfect for everyday use. Lightweight moisturizer and blends well. Plus scored high on the INKEY app, checks for additives, win-win. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.